students, how are you? I hope all are good. Today let me start English chapter number 7, The Return of Lion. Okay, so Shivaji was a great warrior and just ruler who consolidated the Maratha kingdom. He is honored till date because he protected the vulnerable people. Although he fought many battles against the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb, he practiced religious tolerance, protected Muslim women, mosques and tombs. So today, the 14th Battalion of the Maratha Light of Infantry Regiment traces its origin to Shivaji's army of the 18th century. Their battle cries, बोल श्री छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की जय. So the lion is the return of lion का मतलब शिवाजी महाराज से ही है. Okay, now Shivaji, the ruler of the Maratha, Jijabai, the Shivaji's mother, Mantri, Shivaji's chronicler, Sachiv, the secretary, Ramdas, Apport, Shivaji's teacher and companion, Saibai, Shivaji's wife and Sambhaji's mother, Pandit Rao, high priest, an older woman, Sambhaji's foster mother. Jijabai, I can't believe that my son is dead. The letter is a hoax. जीजाबाई कहती है कि मुझे विश्वास नहीं होता मेरा बेटा मतलब उसकी मृत्यु हो चुकी है. रामदास, but the letter is from Agra, जीजाबाई, and therefore it is a hoax. When did Aurangzeb ever tell the truth? Did he not make false promises to my son? Ramdas, it was Jai Singh who made those promises to our Raja. Jijabai, I know that. Can Jai Singh ever make a promise on his own? Surely the slave spoke for the master. वो कह रही है कि मुझे विश्वास नहीं होता कि जो है छत्रपति शिवाजी मर चुका है, बट वो कहते हैं कि नहीं ऐसा है क्योंकि when did Aurangzeb ever tell the truth? Did he not make false promise to my son? Okay, so Mantri spoke in a terribly bad way. Aurangzeb has laid traps for us everywhere. औरंगजेब ने जो है ना हमारे खिलाफ चारों तरफ जाल बिछाया हुआ है. बीजापुर इज अबाउट टू स्ट्राइक. Okay, discontent is spreading among our own men, so they may revolt any day, and there is no news about Shivaji, so we don't know what to do. Sachiv, Stanley, listen, I, your Raja's mother and your regent, say the letter is a hoax. Don't speak about it anymore. Saibai, okay, so does the letter say anything about my dear boy Sambhaji? Jijabai, keep quiet, girl. You are not the only mother here. I say the lion and his cub will soon return to their kingdom. कि शेर और उसका बच्चा बहुत जल्दी ही राज्य में वापस आएंगे. They can't stay long in the fox's den. मंत्री जी, listen to me. मंत्री जी मुझे सुनिए, मतलब उनको इतना विश्वास है अपने बेटे पे. Listen to me. Raise the pay and increase the rations of the soldiers. Send useful gifts to their wives and sweets and toys to their children. I will pay for everything out of my private purse. उन्होंने कहा कि जितने भी सैनिक हैं, हमारी सेना है, उनको जो है एक्स्ट्रा उनको पे कीजिए. उनके जो घर वाले हैं, उनके बच्चे, उनको गिफ्ट्स भेजिए, खिलौने भेजिए, खाने का सामान भेजिए. मेरे पास जो अपना प्राइवेट जो मेरा पैसा है, जो मेरा पर्सनल है, उसको मैं स्पेंड खर्च कर दूंगी इस चीज पे. एंड प्लीज टेल देम दैट द राजा इज एट वाराणसी एंड विल रिटर्न बिफोर लॉन्ग. Tell them also that all the great astrologers at Varanasi have studied Shivaji's horoscope and they all say that nothing can stop him from becoming the lord of the wool of Maharashtra. So keep the soldiers and the priests contented and happy and they will believe your words. Addressing all those present there in a changed voice, friends, I have grown old and weak. I have not many years to live. Help me to live till my brave boy returns to me. Don't say he is dead. कि जो है मैं बूढ़ी हो चुकी हूँ और मुझ में हिम्मत नहीं है, बट मेरी हिम्मत ये कह के मत तोड़ो कि मेरा बच्चा मर चुका है. All men, सब क्या कहते हैं? Our Raja's mother will live. The Queen Regent will live. Our Raja will return to us. Well, pray for his safe return. वो कहते हैं कि जो हमारी महारानी है वो जीवित रहेंगी, ऐसा नहीं है, और हमारा जो राजा है, जो शेर है, वो भी वापस लौटकर जरूर आएगा. जीजाबाई, well said, my brave friends. Tomorrow I will say my special prayer to our family goddess Bhavani. She gave him to me and I'm sure she will bring him back to me. है ना. तो वो कहते हैं कि हमारी जो माता है, कुलदेवी है भवानी, उनकी मैंने पूजा की है, ठीक है, और उनसे कहा है कि मेरे बेटे को सही सलामत वापस मुझे चाहिए. turning to Saibai. Saibai, my child, don't worry. Your son as well as mine is going to return to us. Section 2, footstep and a slight noise outside. Sachin, what's that? क्या है वहाँ पे? रामदास, perhaps someone wants to see us. An attendant who is a tall Maratha in uniform enter and goes 3 times to Jijabai. Attendant, Rani Sahiba, there are 3 holy men at the gate outside. They want to see you. मतलब कुछ लोग हैं, 3 लोग हैं जो आपसे मिलना चाहते हैं. जीजाबाई, where do they come from? वो कहाँ से आए हैं? Attendant, I think they are from the north. They say they are बैरागी साधुस. जीजाबाई, what can their business be? वो क्या करते हैं? तो attendant बोलता है, perhaps they have come to beg from you. They must have heard of your charity. They are poor men in race. Their heads are shaven and their arms and faces are painted grey with ashes. Jijabai, they are holy men and they have come from a far off place. I cannot say no to them. I need their blessings. Let them come in. The attendant bows 3 times again and goes out. Saibai and Sambhaji's foster mother move up and nearer to the throne. Sachin, may I leave now? Rani Sahiba, my secretary must be waiting for me. ठीक है, क्या मैं जा सकता हूँ? जीजाबाई, प्लीज स्टे अ व्हाइल, कृपया यहीं पे रुकिए. These holy men have come from the north. Perhaps they have news for us about the Raja. My heart beats. The attendant enter again with 3 sadhus who seem to the poor humble man dressed in rags. 2 of them are tall and the third is a small man who does not look up. Ramdas, rising and joining the palms of his hands. Welcome, holy men. First sadhu, God bless you, holy Guru. Second sadhu, God bless this house. The third sadhu joined the palms of his hands in greeting but say nothing. He keeps his eye fixed to the ground. Jijabai to the third sadhu, have you no words to bless us with, holy men? Why don't you say something? है ना, क्या तुम नहीं चाहते कि हम लोग जो है, आप मतलब आप कुछ नहीं बोल रहे हैं, कुछ तो बोलिए, आप शायद कुछ कहना चाह रहे हैं. First sadhu, he has taken a vow of silence, noble lady. Jijabai, I see. First sadhu, stories of your wisdom and your kindness to the poor have reached distant places. We have traveled a long way to see you. हम लोग जो है बहुत दूर से यात्रा करके आपको देखने आए हैं. जीजाबाई, you are welcome to this house and to stay here as long as you wish. Second sadhu, at Varanasi we meet a Brahman who told us that your son Shivaji had gone to Agra and that you were ruling for him. Jijabai, what else did you hear about Shivaji? तुमने और क्या सुना है शिवाजी के बारे में? Second sadhu, one day we met a band of horsemen. They said the Raja had been put in prison by Aurangzeb. उसने कहा कि हमने एक व्यक्ति को कहते सुना, उसने एक राजा को, औरंगजेब ने एक राजा को जो है जेल में बंद कर रखा है. तो जीजाबाई, the lion won't stay long in that dirty den. What else did you hear? Tell me. मतलब वो कहती है कि शेर जो है कभी भी गंदी गुफा में नहीं रुक सकता. तुम क्या कहना चाहते हो बताओ. फर्स्ट साधु, that's all we hear, noble lady. We wish we knew more, but we don't. We are men of peace and spend most of our time in temples and lonely places. Jijabai, true. Holy men have nothing to do with war and fighting. Come, give me your blessings. I need them badly. I'm dying to see my son. The first and second sadhu bless her. The third does nothing. Jijabai to the third sadhu, if you don't want to bless me, you may curse me and I will die cheerfully. I can't live without my son. ठीक है, मैं अपने बेटे के बिना नहीं रह सकती. He falls at her feet. She passes her hand gently over his face, utters a cry and draws her head to her breast. It's my son. It's my son. ये मेरा बेटा है. My son has come back to me. Shivaji has come back. The Lord of Maharashtra has come back. The lion has come back from the fox's den. All. Long life Shivaji. Long life the Lord of Maharashtra. Shivaji. मतलब वो जो थर्ड पर्सन थे वो शिवाजी ही थे. तो अब वो जीजाबाई ठहरी, माँ को तो पता होता है, वो समझ गई कि ये मेरा बेटा है. शिवाजी rising. Yes, Shivaji has escaped from the fox's den and the vulture's claws. I have come back to my mother, my friends and my people. ठीक है, उसने कहा कि हाँ, मैं शिवाजी और मैं जो है कुछ लोमड़ियों की गुफा में फंस गया था और कुछ वल्चर के पंजों में मैं फंस गया था, बट मैं शेर हूँ, तो मैं ऐसे उनके कब्जे में कैसे आ जाता. Saibai nervously, dear husband, have you left my son behind in the hands of the enemy? Shivaji, no, I have not. He's quite safe with friends. Don't worry about him. He will be with you in a few days. Okay, looks around and sees Ramdas. Sir, your pupil has written to you, want your advice and guide him as you have always done. Turning to others, friends, come closer. Your Raja has come back safe from the spider's web. Be happy and rejoice. Today we will give a feast to the poor. Light the torches on the hilltops and illuminate the place. Fire the guns and shout that the Raja has returned to his people. All. We will do all this and we will feast and sing and dance. Long life Shivaji, long life Jijabai, long life Maharashtra. Students, all chapters are covered here, all topics are covered in this chapter here. I hope you all are very well understand full chapter. So we will meet you the next class. Thank you.